and kisses to everyone in social media land. Thank you for joining me, Dee, again today on Taste and See with Dee. And today our dish will be bourbon chicken. And it is the bourbon chicken that I got years ago in a food court that was unforgettable. So I decided to find a copycat recipe and prepare it for you guys today. Hope you enjoyed the video. All of my ingredients for the bourbon chicken: hoisin sauce, salt. The recipe actually called for soy sauce, and I don't have it, so I'm going to use regular salt. You have brown sugar, of course, bourbon. The green onions are for garnish, onion powder, garlic, ginger. And I'm going to use liquid smoke since I'm not able to actually smoke my chicken. And I wanted to have that smoke taste. So these are the ingredients that I'll be using in my bourbon chicken today. Okay, so first things first. A lot of recipes call for chicken thighs. However, I'm not a fan of chicken thighs, so I'm going to go ahead and use chicken breasts. I have a few chicken breasts here. I'm just going to go ahead and cut my chicken breasts in half because the recipe wants me to cut them in chunks, so I'm going to cut it in chunks. So from here, I'll just cut my chicken breasts in chunks. And the reason why I cut it in half first is because chicken breast tends to be very thick, so I didn't want any thick chunks. So that's why I went ahead and cut it in half. Okay, I'll do the same thing to these two. So I got the chicken cut. I'm gonna go ahead and wash everything off. Wash my hands off because I have all this nasty chicken juice on it. So let me go ahead and wash my hands off, and then we'll start with the chicken. So you see here, I have my chicken cut in nice little cubes. What I'm gonna do now is I'm going to switch over to the stove area where I'm gonna saute the chicken, salt and pepper. That's it. I'm gonna make my sauce. And then I'm going to place some sauce in the oven with my chicken and then baste it throughout the whole cooking process. All right, here we go. So I'm going to add my half a teaspoon of liquid smoke. oven should be on 350. All right.
Here it goes.
All right, and here is the finished product of my bourbon chicken. For the last 5 minutes, I cut my oven up to broil, and I wanted to get a little char on it, on the chicken, so that's why you see a little char on there, as close as I can get to the grilled taste. So comment below, let me know how you like my bourbon chicken recipe, and I'll also let you know how it tastes. Thanks for watching.